Plug the bootable flash drive in the USB socket. Turn on the computer. Press the BIOS. Here are the list of BIOS key. Set the USB as the first boot device. Press F10 and save the settings. Right-click the desktop. Change the display settings based on your screen resolutions. Right-click the desktop properties. Choose desktop icons. Check the icons that you want to appear in the desktop. Click Apply and click OK. Let's check the size of the used space in Windows 8.1. The total size of the operating system is 12.4 gigabytes. The drivers in this OS is not yet detected. I will create tutorials about driver installation at the end of the operating system installation videos.